everybody, this is MH Ashrafi from D Trainers. We discuss on very important topics in our all videos. Today's topic is very important. You must have heard about UK spouse visa. Some people call it UK marriage visa, some call it A1 visa, some call it UK settlement visa. Basically, any person from Pakistan, if get married with a person who is a British citizen, so the person from Pakistan has to apply a visa to meet his or her family who is already settled in the UK. This visa is known as UK spouse visa. To process this visa file, you must have a complete knowledge about test which makes you eligible to apply for this visa, documentation required to submit your file, and most important, the format of the documents which are basically required to submit this process. There are few things which are really painful in this visa process. The person from UK has to prepare his or her documents as a sponsor for 6 months, and if even one single document does not meet the requirement of UK border agency, there are very high chances of refusal. Basically, the complete process consists on 9 very important steps. Here, when you process this visa, you need to be very careful when you are filling your form. If you make even a single mistake, this may lead towards refusal. Then what should you do? Number one, first of all, before you apply, you should grab a complete knowledge about this visa file, as I have seen many people who appear in IELTS exam instead of IELTS life skill exam, which is required for UK spouse visa, because they were not aware of it. Unfortunately, here people who act as counselor, they are also not aware that what type of documents are required, from where and how you are going to prepare it. We have arranged a series of lectures in which we will help everybody here free of cost, and will provide complete guidelines with detail regarding UK spouse visa. We will tell you which course is best for you. We will tell you how you are prepare your communication record. We will tell you when you should apply, when you are ready to apply for the visa. We will even inform your sponsor in UK or share details with your sponsor in the UK that what type of documents he or she required to sponsor you. One single mistake can destroy or ruin your 6 months effort and struggle, and definitely a lot of money. So the sincere suggestion is for everybody, before you submit your file and before you pay your visa application fee to the immigration, you must get complete knowledge, or you must consult with some experts. This is the best way before you put your application for UK spouse visa. Here in the series of lecture, I myself will appear on screen every day at 9 p.m. PST, Pakistan Standard Time, except Sunday, and I will definitely share my experience, my knowledge to guide you how you are going to prepare your file, how you can get success in UK spouse visa file submission, and many other important things which definitely relates to this visa application file. From Pakistan, especially the female which get married to UK or the British citizen person, they are unfortunately somehow less educated, I must say, or maybe they are not aware of the changes which are imposed by UK government regarding this visa type. What mistake they do, they start asking from here and there. Like a person who has gone to England 4 or 5 years before, they contact them and ask them to help without even knowing that when that person went to England, the immigration policies were different as compared to today's immigration policies. Here in the series of lecture, we will share most updated current visa application process and immigration policies with you. We will guide you with every single step, because one mistake can ruin your effort, can destroy your effort. You can waste your time, a lot of money. So stay tuned with the trainers every day at 9 p.m. if you are applying for UK spouse visa, where I myself will stay with you online, and I'll keep guiding you. I'll just keep sharing my knowledge and my experience with you. So from Monday at 9 p.m. every day, I'll share every single step regarding this visa application process. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.